Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Hope you're doing all right and enjoying this early part of December. It was off to kind of a stormy start. Of course, earlier this week we had some snow and ice in the central U.S. That storm system is now pushed across the eastern seaboard. We will be dealing with some snow in the northern New England states and rain across the eastern half of the country, or at least in the coastal communities there, but more so down in the southeast. But the central U.S. is very quiet, but then you head back to the west, and we have another storm system developing and moving into the Pacific Northwest. But December is going to be very warm. In fact, much of the nation heading into next week, or at least this weekend into next week, will be very, very warm with above average levels. So there goes your storm system from early this week. Wraparound moisture to the northern New England states, kicking out some snow, some heavy rain down in Florida, in fact, leading to potential of flooding. Places like Miami and the Keys, very quiet in the central U.S. And then here comes that steady stream of Pacific moisture running into the northwest. We'll talk about some heavy moisture there over a 5-day period, maybe 3 to 6+ inches in terms of liquid there along the coast. The highest elevation seeing some snowfall. That goes for the Sierra Nevada range, central and the northern Rockies, and even into the Cascades. In fact, that's where we expect to see some of the heaviest snow, maybe a foot plus. But there is going to be moisture in these areas. Snowless as you head into the central U.S., but then there's that snowfall still lingering across the northern New England states that are this week. All right, here's a look at that temperature outlook, which takes us from December 8th to the 12th. And this big red blob showing some much warmer than average conditions showing up in the upper Mississippi Valley, the Great Lakes, and even into the Northeast. So good shot of above average temperatures after this little blob of cooler air moves on in. So this is that little ridge that we're talking about starting to develop and just kind of holding steady over a several-day time period. Temperatures today will be warming to about 5, maybe 15 degrees above average in the upper Midwest, with 37 in Minneapolis, 45 in St. Louis, and 50 in Denver.